How do bees actually make honey step by step? The process might seem simple, but it's a fascinating journey from flower to hive that involves teamwork, chemistry, and amazing biology you won't believe. First, worker bees fly out from the hive to gather nectar from a variety of flowers. They use their long, tube-like tongues to suck up the nectar, storing it in a special stomach called the honey stomach. This is separate from their digestive stomach, allowing them to carry the nectar safely back to the hive without digesting it. The nectar is mostly water mixed with sugars and other plant compounds. This step is crucial because the quality and type of nectar directly influence the flavor and color of the honey. Once the forager bees return to the hive, they pass the nectar to house bees through mouth-to-mouth transfer. During this process, the house bees add enzymes like invertase that break down complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars like glucose and fructose. This chemical transformation is key because it makes the nectar less prone to crystallization and easier to digest. The nectar is still watery at this stage, so the bees begin the drying process to thicken it into honey. To turn the nectar into thick honey, bees use a clever drying method. They spread the enzyme-rich nectar into honeycomb cells and fan it with their wings. This airflow speeds up evaporation, reducing the water content from about 70% in fresh nectar to less than 20% in honey. This low water content is what preserves honey, preventing fermentation and spoilage. When the honey reaches the right consistency, it's thick, sticky, and packed with natural sugars. After the honey is perfectly thick, bees seal each honeycomb cell with a wax cap. This wax is produced by special glands on their abdomen and acts like a lid, protecting the honey from moisture and contaminants. Sealed honey can be stored safely for months or even years. This stored honey is vital for the colony's survival during winter or times when flowers are scarce. It's truly nature's energy reserve, crafted carefully by thousands of tiny workers. So there you have it, the incredible step-by-step process that turns floral nectar into the golden honey you love. From nectar gathering to sealing honeycomb cells, bees use teamwork, chemistry, and clever biology to create nature's sweet treasure. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.